Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Oh my god, I know it's been so long since you have seen my face. Has it really though? If you really fuck with me, honestly, you would have been keeping up. Anyways, hi guys, welcome back to my channel. That's literally how excited I am. I had to sing or scream or something, but in the midst of that, I got a little sick, I started coughing. But anyways, hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm very excited, I'm very ecstatic to be here. If only you guys could see my face, because YouTube makes me so happy, and makeup makes me so happy, and being a girl and being pretty makes me so happy. So I'm so happy to be here. The past couple months have been so crazy, and I've been so busy and a lot of stuff, but really it's on me, because I ain't gonna lie, I wasn't on top of my stuff like I've been. I had a lot of distractions in my life, but we're recentering and we're refocusing. Always remember that this is just part of the journey. Life is not always a linear road. Sometimes things happen. Sometimes there's side quests that have to be completed and side quests that have to be avoided. They're honestly just little bumps in the road that you have to navigate through, but they all are going to lead you back to your main journey, especially when you're in tune with what you want. Anyways, I was still recording and things like that, but sometimes when you do a lot of what you love, it can stop being what you love, and it can be more of a task or more of a job. I'm pretty sure you've heard people say this 1,000 times, honestly. So my brain was kind of blank because I was running out of ideas and stuff like that. So I did take a small little break to recenter and focus on other important things that were going on in my life. But I have also taken on a lot of other projects, as I've been telling you guys. TikTok. I was trying Instagram. I don't really like Instagram, so we might just stick with TikTok and YouTube. But yeah, so I'm back and I'm ready to give you guys all of this. DIS, all of this. All of this, okay? All of this juiciness, all of this gorgeousness, all of this sweetness. I'm ready to give you everything, okay? Oh my gosh, where do I start? Okay, so I'm just gonna tell you guys about a couple of things that have happened in my life over the past month, 2 months, that I haven't seen your face or heard your voice or read your comment, and it has been breaking my heart. So say it. I went to the beach last month. This month is July. Yeah, I went to the beach last month. It was really fun. Honestly, guys, hands down one of the best beach trips I've ever been to in my life. It was so peaceful. It was so chill. The only thing that messed it up, honestly, and I'm not even gonna lie to y'all, was my damn dog. Which I kind of understand because it's hot. And he's an Aussie. He's how many layers? How many layers of coats do they have? They have 2, 3? Anyways, he's one of the dogs that have a lot of layers. Okay, his fur is thick and it's beautiful, and everybody always says it's so soft when they touch him. Yes, but he's also hella dramatic, just like his mommy. So when we went to the beach, he was literally on the brink of passing out the whole time we was there. But it was still fun, especially when we went in the evening, because he got to run around and we got to throw the frisbee. Or was it the ball? Did we bring the ball? I think we lost the frisbee. And we had a good time, and it was just awesome. I'm going to show you guys some pictures and some small clips of when we went. I did want to record a video, get ready with me, in a small vlog, but I don't know, recently, I had so many ideas for the summer, so many things that I wanted to record, so many get ready with me's and places that I wanted to take you guys with me. But don't worry, do not worry. This next year, especially after my birthday, because I think for my birthday is when I'm going to invest in a camera, one of the small ones that you can carry on the go with you. Oh, this year is going to be great, guys. So stay tuned, because I'm going to be here. I ain't going nowhere. I love making content and I love making YouTube videos, so I'm not going nowhere. Even if nobody decides to show up at my door, it's okay. It gives me something to do and a way to express myself. But in the future, expect way more get ready with me's, probably more chit chats. I might even try going live because that sounds fun, like where I could talk to you guys and go live on YouTube. But I don't know, going live kind of scares me a little bit. Maybe I'll test it on TikTok on like an alt account or something like that, and we'll see how it goes. I'm not sure. But yeah, so before I continue to go on a rant about random things, the beach was awesome. 10 out of 10. I would definitely do it again. Chill vibes the whole weekend. Like, oh my gosh. And it's so crazy because whenever I think about trips to the beach and stuff, I always think about when I used to go with my friends from college and how crazy it used to be because everybody wanted to do their own thing and nobody could agree to plans or nothing. And it's like this one just went so smooth. It was just so chill, so relaxing. Like, I got lots of sleep and I was drunk like the whole time. Like, it was awesome. And then I smoked a blunt on the way back home with the windows down and my dog in the back. So yeah, that was lit. I have wanted to do some try on hauls for you guys. I love try on hauls and I feel like those are super popular on my channel because I love clothes and I love getting dressed up. And I work hard. I work hard on my image. IRL, okay? Do you know what IRL means? Girl, boy, that means IRL, real life. I work very hard on my image, IRL. I go to the gym. I try to eat really good. I love doing my makeup. I love doing my hair. I do my own nails now. So I love to show it off. And I love the fact that I can share it with people and, you know, they can watch and get inspiration, or they can watch and just enjoy whatever the fuck you watch for, you can watch. Okay? This is who I am. So I was very excited to come back because I was going to come back with a banger because I had just bought some new Fashion Nova clothes. Oh, guys. I'm so bummed out about these Fashion Nova clothes. It breaks my heart, honestly, when I think about it because they looked so good on the website, like, and the girls, like, so let me explain the theme that I was going for first. Maybe that'll kind of, like, help you guys understand. I'm going to insert some pictures, too, because, like, yeah, but because my hair is, like, curly right now, and it's, like, orangish, reddish, and my makeup, like, I was thinking of, like, a smoky eye date night. So I was thinking of, like, a safari, like, an animal, like, a fierce mamacita. Like, think about me in the jungle crawling to you. Yeah, that's literally what I was thinking about. So I went on this big shopping spree where I bought, like, a bunch of, like, animal print kind of clothing and dresses. And I was going to do a try on haul for you guys. But guess what? I was having audio issues. One of the reasons why it's been hard for me to put out content recently is because, I'm not going to say it's no motivation because I've recorded so many videos that I've never put out. It makes no sense. It's actually kind of ridiculous. Like, somebody needs to check me and slap me and tell me, girl, what are you doing? Like, honestly. It's honestly more so because every freaking time I record a video, I have to put some aggression, some bass in my voice when I say this because, like, you guys have no idea how often it happens. I'm having some type of issue, whether it's an audio issue or a lighting issue or a camera issue. I don't know. But, like, every time I record something or I produce something, I'm just not happy with the outcome. Like, I'm just like, why can't I just be a technology person? Why can't I just be low-key, I look like Ice Spice right there. Like, literally. That just reminded me I need to go buy the Ice Spice Fortnite skin that just dropped. Ooh. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna do that today for sure. But yeah, like, it's always my brain, I'm so weak. Okay. It's always some kind of issue, like whether it's an audio issue, a lighting issue, I don't like it issue, it's always an issue. But I am realizing partially it's in my head aside from the audio issue because I did record a try on haul for you guys that did not come out right because the audio was messed up, and the whole time I was talking you couldn't hear nothing I was saying. I was so pissed about it. I'm gonna re-record that for you guys this weekend though. So not this week upcoming after this one, but the next week, because I think moving forward I am going to stick to a upload every 2 week schedule just so it allows me enough time to make something that I actually like and actually enjoy. But I'm also going to be really on top of my schedule again in terms of making sure that I'm recording and making sure that I'm editing and stuff like I'm supposed to. Guys, creating content, especially long form content, is a lot. It's especially a lot when you put so much work and effort into it, and then it's just like, you know, sometimes you don't get the outcome that you want. But as an artist, that's not our focus. Our focus is never the numbers. Our focus is never the attention. Our focus is never the result. Even though it kind of is, it's not. You know, it's the action, it's the production, it's the making of it, it's the putting it together, you know, that makes it beautiful. So yeah, we're approaching the end of the video. I'm trying to think of if there's any last words that I want to say. I did want to show you guys my outfit and stuff like that, but honestly, like, when I record makeup tutorials and stuff, especially where I'm sitting right now, my makeup and my clothes and my accessories are spread all over the place. Like, I live alone, okay? So I have like my makeup in the bathroom, and then I have some makeup in the kitchen, and then I have some accessories in the kitchen, my bracelets on the fucking floor. Like, my stuff is everywhere. So that's my life. I'm just a diva who's trying to make it to the next day, who's trying to make it out of the hood. You know what I'm saying? No, I don't really live in the hood, but I call it the hood because this is my world. And until I'm in a big fancy house with huge windows that bring the sunlight in even at night, that's what we're gonna call it. Let's see. Any final words that I want to say to you guys? I just want to say thank you so much for supporting me if you're still here. I get so frustrated and so in my head sometimes. It really makes my day, and it really makes me happy to see that there are people here, whether they're women or whether they're men or aliens or animals. I'm just happy that you're here and that you're supporting and that you're watching, and I want you to get to know me. So I do want to do more talking videos. I do talk a lot. Like, honestly, I talk a lot. I'm not shy at all. I always say if somebody calls me shy, like if that's something that they use to describe me, they don't know me at all. But yeah, I just wanted to leave you guys with that. I will see you guys soon, very soon, because I'm going to shoot another try on haul, re-record the animal print try on haul. Hopefully we can get some good footage with that. But I will see you guys in the next week or so, like week and a half. Okay? I love you guys. Stay safe, stay sane, and don't forget that you are beautiful inside and out, with or without makeup. Like, period. Bye bye.
I got too many hoes, but they ain't you. You like to put that shit in your nose.